Legalize it. Oh, yeah. Oh, don't criticize it. Come to Tampa. Try to sell beer. Get a license. No, man, legalize it. What's up, everybody? JohnFilax here, and I went to 1313 North Tampa Street to help a business owner get a beer and wine license. And every time I go to this Park Tramo building, I have a problem with security. Last time I went with Regan Benson, and the security guard told us we couldn't record in that. Once we corrected her, I come in here again, and now they're telling me I have to sign in. And if I don't sign in, she's going to trespass me. This is Samantha, the security guard. She's going to trespass me and I can't go up there. You have to surrender your Fourth Amendment right. I literally told her, I'm not going to press this issue, but I know I don't have to ID to you. And she says, oh, yeah, you do, or else you ain't going up, and I'll call the police to have you trespassed. So I wasn't going in there to do an audit. I showed her my ID because I didn't want to cause a problem, and she still had the attitude. And I wrote on a piece of paper, Fourth Amendment. I put it on the desk. She grabbed it immediately, crumpled it up, and threw it away. She was so rude. So I went up to the office, got my business done, as you can see here, and then I went back downstairs and talked to Samantha about her behavior. Can I have your name, young lady?
Samantha.
Do you have like a Samantha? Do you have like a identification number?
No, sir.
Do you have a last name?
Ian.
May I have that, please?
B-I-N.
B-I-A?
Mm-hmm.
B-I-A.
B-I-A.
That's the whole thing?
Mm-hmm.
And do you have a supervisor?
Xavier.
Is he available?
I'm not sure.
Can you check for me, please? I don't understand why you were so rude to me
I
earlier.
wasn't being rude. I was just trying to tell you that.
No, ma'am. You were very rude, and you crumpled up my paper.
Okay, well, I didn't want to see your paper. You brought me.
So you're doing it again.
You gave me paper for no
You're
reason.
doing it again.
I'm not.
You are.
I'm just speaking. I'm
No,
responding.
you're not just speaking.
I'm responding.
You're being very rude.
I'm responding
You're responding to what?
to you.
Which is what?
What you're saying.
What did I
I'm
say?
responding.
What did I
I said
say?
I was being rude, and I wasn't.
You're not
I
rude?
crumble your paper, which I didn't want to see.
So you can't have a normal conversation with a person that comes in
I
here?
did have a
So
normal
the way you're acting is normal to you?
It is, actually.
Okay, so if I could talk to your supervisor, and you believe we don't have rights in this building?
I didn't say that.
So I don't have the right to do I have the right to privacy?
Well, the rule is to show
So
ID.
I just asked you a specific question, ma'am.
You do.
So, but then you told me to surrender my privacy to you, or else I can't go in and do my business, right?
That's what I was supposed to tell you.
Who told you that? So they told you to violate state and federal law.
That's the rule. If you don't have ID, you cannot go upstairs.
So they told you, you just told me somebody told you that.
Okay, that's the rule to this building. If you
So
don't have
somebody
ID
didn't tell you that? You see how you're tripping yourself up now?
No, I'm not.
Did somebody tell you that?
Yes.
They told you to
Yes.
violate federal and state
No,
law.
they didn't tell me to violate. They told me to tell visitors
People that they don't have a right to
do not
privacy.
have ID.
So no
You
right to
cannot go
privacy.
upstairs.
They don't have a right to privacy. Got it. I understand now where you're coming from.
Oh, JP, sorry, I called the wrong person. I meant to call John.
What's Xavier's last name?
I'm not sure.
Do you have a number I can call to file a complaint against you? You have a number for that?
I'm calling someone now. You asked for someone, so I'm calling someone.
Do you have a number
Thank you.
I can call for your company?
Thank you.
Have a good one. Hey,
Everything good?
up here.
Robbie, how are you? Always help you.
Likewise. Take care.
Thank you.
Someone's coming? Somebody on their way?
Yes, sir.
Is that going to be Xavier? Yes, sir. Now I get the yes, sirs. Got it. So, this building is named after this guy. Florida's. I'll wait for him outside.
Yeah, so
Thank you, sir. I appreciate that.
thanks.
You can just give me a number to call. File a
Well,
complaint.
he's on the phone right now. He said he's not giving out his number, but you can speak to him.
All right. Who is this, Xavier?
Hold on, Xavier. Here you go.
Just set it right there if you want. Hello, sir.
Hi, how you doing?
Who is this, Xavier?
Yeah, operations supervisor. How you doing today?
I'm fine. I just want you to know that this photo ID policy you have violates federal and state law. That's the first thing.
Well, it doesn't violate federal or state law because it is all voluntary.
It's all voluntary. I'm sorry. Did you hold on, sir? Did you hear what he just said to
He
me?
spoke to me already. You can speak to him. I'll speak to him after.
So you did hear
He
that?
spoke to me already.
Okay, so it's voluntary, right, sir?
Yes.
So when she says, I'll have you trespassed, I'll call the police, and she crumples up the information I gave you in disgust and throws it in the trash can, that's not proper behavior, right?
It's just a misunderstanding that will be rectified.
All right, sir, I appreciate that very much, and it is voluntary to give ID. It's not a mandatory.
No, it is
And she's not going to be threatening other people with trespass or to call the police anymore, right?
No.
Okay, sir, I appreciate your time. Have a good day. Have a good day, Samantha.
You